Mature cotton bolls provide durable fibers prized for banknote paper. These fibers are opening evenly today. Veteran growers inspect fiber length before harvest begins across fields.
This row has excellent staple length.
Careful irrigation produces clean fibers with consistent strength and color.
Zone 4 is balanced.
Cotton plants reach ideal dryness before mechanical picking can begin.
The moisture reading is within range.
Sunlight and dry air prepare mature bolls for efficient collection.
Mark this row ready.
Field technicians track moisture levels to protect valuable paper fibers.
The storage liners are clean.
Each cotton boll contains thousands of fine, interlocking cellulose strands. The strand structure looks uniform.
Strong cellulose fibers create the distinctive feel of banknote paper.
Strength remains above specification.
Natural fiber length helps banknotes resist tearing during everyday circulation.
This sample has excellent length.
Clean white lint reveals the purity required for secure papermaking.
Remove that leaf fragment.
Mark this section for sampling.
Copper ore begins deep underground before becoming durable euro coins.
Nickel-bearing rock provides strength and corrosion resistance for coin alloys.
Nickel content is registering clearly.
Zinc and steel feedstocks support several modern European coin compositions.
Log this as approved feedstock.
Experienced operators harvest cotton gently to preserve maximum fiber length.
Reduce speed slightly on this row.
Mechanical pickers remove ripe bolls while leaving unopened plants undisturbed.
The heads are running clean.
Senior crews collect loose cotton and prevent contamination from field debris.
Keep the leaves in the waste bin.
Veteran miners extract copper-bearing rock using controlled underground equipment.
Bring the bucket forward slowly.
Ore samples are labeled immediately for traceability and quality testing. Sample 19 is logged. Raw fibers and metals now move towards specialized processing facilities. This load is ready for transfer. Collected cotton is sorted before leaving the protected agricultural source.
Keep the clean fiber moving forward.
Ore fragments are separated by grade before surface transportation begins.
Primary grade continues to container 2.
Clean liners protect valuable fibers from moisture, dirt, and contamination. The seal is clean all around. Source inspections confirm every load meets strict material acceptance standards.
This batch meets release standards.
Accurate labels preserve traceability from origin through final currency production. Container code matches the manifest. Cotton modules are loaded carefully to preserve density and cleanliness. 2 feet clear on the right. Covered trucks shield raw fiber during the long transfer journey. Upper track is fully closed.
Heavy loaders place graded ore into reinforced sealed transport containers.
Hold there, target weight reached.
Veteran crews balance every load before vehicles leave the site. Move it 3 inches forward.
Final departure checks prevent load shifting, contamination, and documentation errors. Vehicle approved for departure. Cotton travels under sealed covers towards secure paper processing facilities.
Route remains clear ahead.
Ore containers move steadily from mines towards specialized metal processors.
Freight route remains on schedule.
Electronic tracking records route conditions throughout each protected transportation journey.
Cargo conditions remain within limits.
Drivers monitor temperature and security alerts during every mile traveled.
Load stability confirmed after the crossing.
Raw materials arrive separately before joining the currency manufacturing network.
Seal verified. Proceed to receiving.
Receiving teams verify seals before accepting cotton into controlled storage.
Seal matches the shipping record.
Every incoming ore load is weighed before quality inspection begins.
Weight is stable and recorded.
Inspectors carefully compare documentation, weight, and condition against approved specifications. All recorded values match the manifest.
Sampling confirms incoming cotton remains clean, dry, and structurally sound.
Moisture and purity are both acceptable.
Accepted materials receive secure identification before entering initial processing areas. Route this batch to initial processing.
Incoming cotton passes through controlled cleaning systems before fiber pulping begin.
Keep the fiber depth consistent across the belt.
Air separation removes leaves, dust, and loose field contaminants efficiently.
Air pressure is stable through separator 2.
Optical scanners identify discoloration before fibers enter secure paper production.
Foreign fiber removed from batch 41. All approved lots are represented.
Clean cotton fibers are blended for uniform strength and texture.
Purified fibers enter pulpers, where water begins cellulose separation carefully.
Begin the controlled pulping cycle. Rotating blades disperse cotton into a smooth cellulose suspension evenly. Fiber dispersion is developing evenly. Screening systems remove remaining particles from the developing paper pulp.
Pressure difference remains inside the approved range.
Reduce the disc gap slightly.
Refiners align cellulose fibers for stronger, more durable banknote sheets.
Authorized dosage is entering the main line.
Special additives improve banknote durability without changing cotton's natural feel.
Finished pulp rests in agitated tanks before sheet formation begins.
Stock consistency is ready for transfer.
Ore washing removes surface clay before valuable metals are separated.
Washed material is discharging evenly.
Crushers reduce large ore fragments into consistently sized processing material. Crusher gap remains on target.
Grinding mills expose mineral surfaces needed for accurate metal recovery.
Particle size is within recovery range.
Magnetic separation removes iron-rich material from selected coin metal feedstock streams. Separation efficiency remains stable.
Flotation cells concentrate copper minerals using carefully controlled air bubbles.
Froth depth is holding at target.
Filtered concentrates retain valuable metals while excess water returns safely.
Recovered water is clear and returning.
Industrial furnaces begin transforming concentrated ore into molten base metal.
Batch identity confirmed. Begin controlled feed. Molten copper is sampled before further refining and alloy preparation. Samples secured for composition analysis. Electrolytic refining removes impurities and produces exceptionally pure copper plates.
Deposition remains even across the cell.
Purified metals advance toward alloying for precise euro coin compositions.
All refined metals are cleared for alloying.
Diluted cotton pulp spreads evenly to form a continuous banknote web. Maintain the edge profile at target.
Cylinder molds shape watermarks directly within the developing paper structure.
Watermark density is forming evenly.
Security threads enter the wet sheet before fibers fully consolidate.
Thread position remains centered within tolerance.
Pressing removes water while strengthening bonds between interlocking cotton fibers. Press pressure is balanced across the sheet. Heated cylinders dry the banknote web under precisely controlled tension.
Moisture profile is approaching the target range.
Surface sizing improves durability and prepares sheets for secure printing.
Application weight is stable across the width.
Calendar rollers smooth the paper while preserving embedded security features. Smoothness remains uniform without crushing the watermark. Automated cameras inspect every meter for thickness, moisture, and defects.
All security features remain correctly registered.
Precision cutters divide the continuous web into controlled banknote sheets. Cut registration remains exactly on mark. This stack has reached equilibrium.
Conditioning rooms stabilize moisture before secure sheets enter printing operations.
Exact metal recipes determine color, hardness, and electromagnetic coin behavior.
Recipe mass is confirmed for furnace charging. Induction furnaces blend purified metals into carefully controlled molten alloys. Composition remains centered on the approved recipe. Continuous casting transforms molten alloy into solid, workable metal strips.
Casting speed and strip thickness remain stable. Hot rolling reduces cast metal thickness while improving internal structure.
Exit gauge is tracking exactly on target.
Cold rolling achieves the exact gauge required for coin blanks. Thickness variation remains below the maximum limit.
Annealing restores ductility after rolling hardens the developing metal strip.
The heating profile remains within specification. Cleaning lines remove oxides and residues before precision blank production. The cleaned surface is uniform across both sides. Laser gauges verify thickness continuously across every processed metal coil.
Thickness and flatness remain fully compliant.
High-speed presses punch thousands of perfectly round blanks from strip. Blank diameter remains exactly within tolerance. Prepared rings and cores await assembly into advanced bimetallic coins.
Ring and core dimensions are correctly matched.
Bimetallic rings and cores are joined under carefully controlled pressure.
Core alignment is centered before joining.
Coining presses strike designs into blanks with tremendous controlled force. Strike pressure remains exactly on specification.
Edge lettering adds denomination security while improving coin recognition instantly.
Edge depth and orientation are correct. Offset printing builds complex background patterns across prepared cotton sheets.
Registration remains aligned across every color unit. Security elements are fully registered.
Intaglio, foil, and numbering precisely complete each banknote's secure identity.
Inspectors carefully compare every coin surface against approved reference standards.
Set this piece aside for closer review. Precision gauges continuously verify coin diameter, thickness, weight, and roundness.
All measured dimensions remain inside tolerance.
Specialists inspect bimetallic bonds for separation, gaps, or distortion signs.
The joint remains continuous around the full circumference.
Automated vision systems detect tiny scratches, stains, and striking defects. Scratch detected and reject path confirmed.
Veteran inspectors examine raised relief for complete and balanced impressions. Relief height remains complete along the outer border.
Banknote sheets carefully undergo transmitted light inspection for embedded security accuracy.
Watermark and thread registration remain consistent.
Experts manually verify intaglio texture, color registration, and microprinting clarity.
Microtext remains sharp and fully readable.
Each holographic element is checked for position, adhesion, and response.
Optical response and adhesion are both correct.
Serial numbers must always remain unique, readable, and correctly sequenced. Sequence verified with no repeated numbers.
Defective notes are isolated immediately within secure controlled areas on site. Rejected sheet count is confirmed and secured.
Laboratories measure banknote strength through repeated folding and tension cycles. The sample remains intact beyond the required cycle.
Chemical testing confirms inks resist water, oils, and normal handling.
No significant color transfer is visible. Spectral instruments accurately verify precise colors and machine-readable security responses.
Visible, ultraviolet, and infrared responses all match.
Coin laboratories precisely analyze alloy composition, hardness, conductivity, and magnetism. Material properties match the authorized alloy specification.
Final endurance tests simulate years of real-world currency circulation conditions.
Both currency samples completed the full endurance sequence.
Approved banknote sheets receive final conditioning before precision cutting begins.
Moisture and flatness are ready for cutting.
Finished coin batches undergo final cleaning before controlled counting operations.
Rinse quality and surface condition remain acceptable.
Automated systems cut approved sheets into precisely dimensioned individual banknotes. Dimensions and border widths remain exactly on target.
Every banknote is oriented and counted before secure bundle preparation.
Lane 3 has reached exactly 100 notes.
Final currency batches are reconciled against verified production records carefully.
Physical totals match the authorized production record.
Packaging lines begin only after security and cleanliness checks finish.
The line is clear and authorized to begin.
Automated counters assemble identical banknotes into exact 100-note bundles securely. 100 notes confirmed by both counters.
Compression plates align every bundle without damaging raised security printing.
Compression force remains below the surface damage limit.
Paper bands identify denomination, quantity, batch, and verified inspection status.
Band data matches the bundle record.
Sealed banknote bundles receive machine-readable codes for complete traceability records.
Independent code verification matches the central record.
Coin counters separate exact quantities into denomination-specific packaging channels securely.
Count and weight agree for every active lane. Measured coin quantities fill transparent security bags without manual contact.
Correct bag code and target weight confirmed.
Heat seals close coin bags while preserving visible identification markings.
Seam continuity is complete across the bag.
Automated labels record denomination, quantity, weight, and production batch details. Print quality and placement are both approved.
Verification scanners compare package contents against every printed label automatically.
Weight, contents, and label data all match.
Banknote bundles are wrapped in protective film under controlled tension.
Film tension is protecting the bundle without compression. Tamper-evident seals reveal any unauthorized opening during later distribution handling. Seal serial is active and correctly positioned.
Date codes and package numbers support complete production accountability records.
Date, time, and package identity are verified.
Verified currency packages enter reinforced cartons arranged by denomination carefully. Maintain the approved load pattern inside every carton.
Carton scanners confirm contents before pallets move towards secure storage.
Carton verified and assigned to the correct pallet. Automated systems complete stable pallets for secure warehouse movement and storage. Final layer alignment is within the approved pattern.
Protective wrapping stabilizes cartons and reveals unauthorized handling during transportation. All carton labels remain visible through the wrap.
Serialized pallet labels connect every carton to verified currency records. Pallet identity now links to every enclosed carton.
Final pallet inspections confirm weight, seals, labels, and structural stability.
Structure, seals, and weight are fully approved.
Secure loading plans organize pallets by destination, denomination, and priority.
Pallet 12 proceeds to assigned vault storage.
Restricted vault warehouses maintain controlled temperature, humidity, access, and surveillance.
Environmental conditions remain stable throughout the vault.
Automated storage cranes position currency pallets inside protected high bay racks.
Position 12 is occupied, and placement is confirmed.
Inventory systems track every pallet location and movement in real time.
Digital location matches the live aisle confirmation.
Senior security teams conduct routine physical counts inside protected vault zones. Visible cartons, weight, and seal all match records. Environmental monitoring protects packaged currency from moisture, heat, and contamination.
Humidity and particle levels remain inside approved limits.
Redundant surveillance and access controls protect currency around the clock.
All access points and surveillance zones are operational.
Prepared orders remain sealed until authorized dispatch instructions are confirmed.
Dispatch authorization received and destination codes confirmed.
Dispatch teams verify vehicle identity, routes, seals, and documentation carefully. Vehicle, route, and driver credentials are fully verified.
Armored vehicles receive balanced currency pallets through controlled loading procedures.
Load position is balanced and floor locks are engaged.
Electronic seals and trackers monitor every secure shipment continuously in transit. Seal is active and tracking communication is confirmed.
Experienced drivers follow protected routes while security centers monitor conditions.
Seal status remains normal at the scheduled checkpoint.
Currency shipments transfer securely between regional distribution and central banking facilities.
Seal and custody records remain fully intact.
Receiving vaults authenticate seals before accepting delivered currency into inventory.
Seal history, weight, and identity are all verified.
Verified banknotes and coins enter controlled channels for financial circulation.
Institution order is complete and authorized for delivery.
From raw cotton and ore, Europe creates trusted everyday currency. Final release is authorized for financial circulation.